Hello friends, I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams, whether it's CA, whether it's CS, whether it's CMA. I am here to tell you that I host free special live classes daily at 7 p.m. for company law and JIGL. And the classes are totally free of cost. You can unlock my session by using my code CSJAS. I am here to announce another 2 special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 23rd and 24th February sharp at 7 p.m. We have completed 4 chapters of company law and 4 chapters of JIGL, and from today we will be starting the 5th chapter of JIGL, which is administrative law. If your base is still not clear, you can join the session and prepare both the subjects with me. So from today we will start the 5th chapter of JIGL, which is administrative law, and today we will discuss about the introduction, need and sources of administrative law. This chapter is very interesting in terms of studying, and when I teach I try to make JIGL a bit fun with the interaction and also putting polls, that is question answer format, which students thoroughly enjoy. And tomorrow we will discuss the topic of judicial control over the administrative actions, and this particular topic in this chapter is really huge and very important from the point of view of exam. So do join the sessions, bilkul free hai. Unlock the sessions by using my code CSJAS. The class links to both the sessions are given in the description box below. You can click on the class link and click notify me so that before the class begins you get a notification. Other than that, if you're looking for batches for CSET or CS Executive or any other batch, then you can definitely check my description box. The links to the batches are there. Unacademy is starting with a new CSJAS batch, which is 100% English batch. The same batch was started for CS Executive, and now that 100% English batch is going to be started for CSEET May 2022 students as well. So if you are a CSEET student going to sit in May, and if you're not comfortable with any other language and only understand the English language, then you can go and take the subscription of CSJAS batch. The links to all the batches are also in the description box below. You can click and get your subscription, and if you get a subscription, make sure you use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. Hoping you all to join my sessions today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. See you there. Bye.